You was with me when I never had shit. Way before the rap shit. Way before I had the shoes and the shirts matching. Before I had the Benz with the black and white seat. No one doesn't understand when I say the thing's deep. You know I set trends, I don't follow like sheep. And you know I won't stop until my mission's complete. I know you lose sleep anytime I'm on street. Feds trying to take me out like De Niro with heat.
So this is all done, and then you spray it with hairspray, which I already did, I just didn't record. And then you can either brush it out if you want it really fluffy, or if you want it tight like this, you just leave it tight like this. I like it fluffier. So then we got a fluff texture to it. And go on the inside. You can tell I'm not a fucking tutorial person, but we do our best. Look, and then you can just make it as big as you want. It's great. Simple, and even if you're basic like me, you can do it.